Hello. I want to tell you a story. It is about a storm and about a tree. One summer, the sky grew dark. The wind blew hard. Rain poured down. The storm shook the forest. Tall young trees bent. Some broke, some fell. They were not strong enough. But one old tree stood tall. It did not fall. It did not break. After the storm, the young trees asked, "How did you stay strong?" The old tree answered, "My strength is not in my branches. My strength is in my roots." The young trees listened. They understood. Branches reach high, but roots reach deep. The old tree said, "Storms will always come. If your roots are deep, you will stand. If your roots are shallow, you will fall." The forest grew quiet. The lesson was clear. Strength comes from roots, not from height. Now I want to ask you, what are your roots? Do you build them in family, in kindness, in learning, in truth? Do not only reach up, reach down, grow deep, build strong roots, because storms will come, and when they do, your roots will keep you standing.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.